What's up, guys? Philip with Trade Genius. And yep, that Ethereum FUD rumor about the CFTC SEC ruling on it wasn't even true. That just spread like wildfire. And who knows who spread it? Probably somebody trying to buy a dip. But the only thing that was actually on any type of official document was this U.S. House of Representatives Committee on Science, Space, and Technology. They were having a hearing yesterday at 10 a.m. on leveraging the blockchain technology to improve supply chain management and combat counterfeit goods. So, not sure if that one got twisted into some crazy rumor, but there you have it. That was it. There was no official SEC meeting on that. So that was just pure FUD, wild rumors, and I mean everybody was assuming that was the real deal. So hopefully in the future that'll be better scrutinized. So we have some good information to go off of. But, again, we were taking a wait and see approach on that. So didn't really affect any positions as far as we were concerned in the room. But as such, now that that's out of the way, I wanted to take a look at Ethereum technically and then, give you guys some outlook on the price action. So let's get into that.
Trade Genius.
All right, guys. So the first thing is we want to look at, now that the FUD's out of the way, we can kind of just look at this thing with a, clear technical analysis. We have actually a bearish divergence. That's when price continues to go up, but things like an oscillator like RSI makes a lower high. And that's why this rolled over here. And so now it's a matter of, is that the extent of the move, or do we see it lower? So we're basically hugging this up trend line here, and this is actually, if you're going to go bounce long, you want to get it off of this trend line, and it provides a pretty quick stop. If you notice, we've got this area here of what's called a volume node, and so that's going to be in the 700 to 750 area, kind of where we're in now. And then we have what we call kind of an air pocket of volume in here. And the reason why we watch those is because if support breaks, so your support, essentially would be here. If that breaks down, you're looking at your next volume node, which is this area around 500. And it's also the support area here. All right, kind of like the shoulders of this inverted head and shoulders that we broke out of. So that's kind of, I would have a pretty short stop in this area here if I'm swinging long off of this trend line. It could be that we return back to this moving average of 200, because when we break out of it, a lot of times it's not uncommon to see us hit that, bounce off of that and move higher. I still think things are technically bullish for Ethereum, and so we should move higher. That's contingent, though, on the entire crypto space continuing to see funds move into it, and everything's moving up. So I would, this is not a bad spot to be looking to get long. You can have a fairly short stop here, and if this doesn't resolve up, and I would be moving my stop up as we went, if this breaks down and this breaks this 200 period moving average, again, this is on the daily chart, guys, excuse me, and so this gets pretty, this is the one everyone looks at, it's 200 day. If that breaks down, then really support is going to be down in this level as you approach 500. I think I'd have orders sitting in this area here. So technically speaking, that's what we're looking at on Ethereum, and that's how I would be looking at playing this on a daily swing perspective. So there you go, guys. That's your FUD Free Ethereum outlook, and I think that still bullish scenario for Ethereum. But keep in mind, though, if the market gets soured or Bitcoin gets sour, Ethereum, Litecoin, they're going to tend to kind of go with that. But right now, I don't see that mean a huge risk, and so we'll just look at the technical spots for bounces, because they will bounce even if things roll over. They still do bounce off these technical levels, so that's what you want to play. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I will see you on tomorrow's video. Take care. Bye-bye.
Trade Genius.